Shed some light on the subject. There we go, it's a bit too much light. But hey, too much is better than not enough, right? This is an old Sony laptop battery that I was just pulling the top off to jump start with an RC car charger, and found this cell just floating around inside. The spot welds are like non-existent. There's a few dimples, but that's about it. And pretty much the same with all the cells. Like this one here isn't spot welded properly. And these look like the old radio controlled car battery connectors. Yeah, I think they might be. Let's pull that apart a bit more. There's another one. Well, definitely a factory though, they're glued in. They're definitely glued in there. See the glue at the bottom, looks factory to me. Cameo cells, again very common. Do a little dinky multimeter and see what voltage we've got. Well, nothing. Yeah, 0.6 on that one. 0.8 on that one. Yeah, and the end one is, oh no, 1 volt, not a volt. 1 volt, 46. That's the highest of all of them. So there is at least some chance this old girl will actually take a charge and power a laptop, even though I've taken 2 cells out of it. It's, I assume they're wired in parallel, so it should at least power up if these cells are okay. And then we'll see if it's worth buying a charger for this laptop. It probably isn't, but we'll give it a go anyway. Okay, see you in the next video.